Can you say hi? Will you smile again? Say, will you smile again? Oh no, that's a sad face. Yeah. What about it? There's that big boy smile. There's that big boy smile. What are you doing, huh? What are you thinking? Yeah. You looking at Dad? Say, that's my dad. Up there. I'm looking at my daddy. Haven't seen him all day. Yeah. You smile again? You're just being so cute and such a good mood. Yeah. Just a happy boy. Say, Mom's jiggling your bouncer for you, huh? Maybe we'll stop and see. Will you say hi? Will you say hi? Can you say hi? Smile. Smile. That's a yawn. That's not a smile. That's a yawn. That's almost a smile. Just tell everybody hi, hello. Say hi, hello, and smile. Will you smile? Michael. Michael. Hi. Hi, bright-eyed boy. You're so bright-eyed. Can you say hi? Smile. You got the hiccups all the time, Say. It's tough being a kiddo, isn't it? Yeah, you see Mama now? Yeah. Just say I'm starting to recognize everything. Yeah. He's so cute. He's such a big boy these days. Yeah. Such a big boy. Such a big boy. Alright, we're going to say bye-bye for now. Say bye-bye for now, everybody. Yeah.